Alrighty, we got some parts for the Focus ST. We got some new taillights to install on this thing. So that's kind of the 4 with the red OEM. I think these are the ST2 tails. I don't hate them, but I definitely want something a little bit newer or a little bit different. So we went with some clear tails. So we're gonna see how this looks. If I don't like them, I will just throw them, sell them, or return them and get some other ones. I know I put up a poll on which ones I wanted, but I don't know. I just gotta try it to see. So we're gonna get into this. It should just be a couple bolts, I believe, like that back there, this back there as well, and then that one up top, and that one up top. So it should be pretty easy. So we're gonna throw these in right now. Alright, I think these are just loose from when I did my interior already. So it's just one of those. Yeah, they're like hand tight. Yours might be a little bit. I think there was a trick to it. When I took apart this, I was doing my rear valence. I don't know if it was a 19 or you can put like a 20 mil socket on the end of this and get it out. But am I missing one? Holy. So that's one out. Damn, it is dirty in there. Okay. Let's get this one out. And then we'll get this one out as well. So it's just these two clips, or these things that thread on. I don't even know what they're called. Alright. So all 4 of those are out. That should just pop right out. Cool. Now, I know I saw some videos of this right here being different. And it is. So I just want to see if I can take these both out and swap them over. So that's the clear tail. And then this one, I'm just gonna hand thread it. And I think swapping this over is the move. Be careful. These things are fragile as fuck. You don't have to do them super tight, but tight enough. I would say just hand tight, truly. If I could take it out by hand, that'd be even better. I don't want to scratch those. All right. I think I saw some videos of people doing this, just swapping these, because the OEM ones fit flusher on the actual light itself. Now I believe that we could just throw this in. But first, I just want to clean all this up. How does this get so dirty in here? Cool. Shipping was pretty good on these. I can link these exact lights below. Oh my God. I think it goes, okay, and then that should click. Okay, that clicks in. That is a little loose. Let's put this shit in. I don't want it too tight to start. You know, I should have checked to see if these worked before I threw them in, as I keep tightening. So the fitment is just not there. All right, that's one installed. Does not look bad at all. I'll pull it out after I get this one done. But figured out I gotta pull these rubber things off and then reinstall. So I'm gonna pull these off, screw that light in, and we'll take a look. The fitment is all right. It's just, even with the OEM little screws here that plug in, it still kind of pops out. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, right here too. I mean, it's in, it's just, I don't know, not the best. But $200, a cheap set of headlights, you know. What do you expect? A little bit of a gap there. This top gap is fine. This gap here is pretty bad. I think it's the same thing on this side. Actually, no, the bottom gap on this side is fine. The top gap here. And I've kind of messed around with everything for a little bit now. Let's see. I mean, I kind of like them though. They're kind of hard. I won't lie. Oh man. They are not bad. What do you guys think? Clears or the red? I don't know. The clears kind of grow on me, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. When I get my new wheels in, the clears I think will go even better. That's not bad. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. This is just, I'm just throwing in some clear taillights. Let me know what you guys think about it. It'll be a quick video. Not a super in detail video on how to install taillights because I feel like it's pretty simple. It's literally 2 bolts. Pop that one in. You guys don't have to, but I swapped my studs and the lights to try to get some better fitment. That's alright, I guess. Nothing insane. So it's up to you guys. I'll link the taillights below. I believe they're Spec D or no. They're from this brand here. They were like $250. Hella cheap for some taillights. Maybe in the future I would get some more expensive ones, but I didn't know which flavor of taillight I wanted. So we'll leave these on the car for a bit and see what's what. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know OEM ST2 taillights or the clear taillights. The clear is growing on me. Oh my god, they're actually pretty tough. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.